Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. I have been out for a week or so. So last week we did not publish any video, and this is a week which is a very important week, and we are closing almost the year. So only 1 month is left, and typically Nifty behaves in a typical manner in the month of December. So December is very significant month because this US the people goes on leave, so the fund managers really normally wants to take their money back, so they take out their money and they restart their business after 15th of January. So this is the period you do not see you will not see any big movement in the market. Okay, and even if at least there will be no bullishness, that's for sure, because in December is normally remains as a dull month. So we have I just wanted to start off with the Nifty views so that you get a glimpse of what is happening. And then I will also tell you about our courses which are undergoing a significant change. There are a lot of new things and very useful things that are coming up. So I wanted to keep you informed about that. So first let us start off with Nifty. Yes, Nifty as we see it here, we are seeing a bull run here, right? So Nifty has all along, if you look at, this is a daily chart. So if I zoom it a bit, you will see that Nifty has actually all along got has a very dream run. After that, this is the area where you have a COVID-19 news, and then in the month of March it has come down and giving a very V-shaped recovery. If you look at the shape, it is a V-shaped recovery. Whenever Nifty comes down, it has recovered very fast. So there is a V-shaped recovery. Here also you have a V-shaped recovery. So that's a good sign. Now I don't want to get into the debate that the economy is not performing and we are technically entered into a recession zone, because 2 consecutive quarter negative growth only signifies a recession, technical recession. But there is Nifty has has been contradicting to the economic theory, and it has actually gone up. So we are technical analysts, we don't want to get into all these stuffs, but it is good to have knowledge. So as of today, what we are seeing? As of today, we are seeing is a bull run, and Nifty is consolidating here. Now, how important? I will explain how important is this particular level. So before that, let us see at the monthly level. Nifty has again a V-shaped recovery, and it is significantly bullish. And particularly this month, it has it has a dream run. Now whether it is a dream run or it is an exhausted run, that only time will tell. But according to us, I will tell you what is our view. So in the weekly chart also, obviously monthly is strong, so everywhere there is a big run. Now in the daily, if you see, these candles are all big candles. Now these are all exhausting, showing a little bit of sign of exhaustion. On a monthly basis, it's a big big candle that is forming. So here on weekly basis, Nifty is now basically slowing down the speed here, and here also it is first time it has given a big candle. Now whether it is bullish or bearish, that is something that we need to interpret. Now I am, for this purpose, I have I will introduce a pitchfork diagram that will tell us a lot of things. If I switch on the pitchfork diagram here, I have already drawn the pitchfork diagram from a significant level. So this is something that also is very interesting. You should know how to draw and all those, because if you draw it wrongly, then it will give you wrong signal. So these signals, this pitchfork diagram, this is a median line. In the Nifty is actually resisting on the median line. If you look at this particular line, let me show you this particular line. This is actually the median line, right? So on this particular line, if you see, Nifty is actually taking a support, and I can also see a positive reverse divergence. Positive reverse divergence is basically, it's a hidden divergence, I can see, and on the hidden divergence basically is telling me that Nifty is bullish, because although it is showing a sign of exhaustion, if you look at the retracement level, retracement is not significant. If you look at retracement here, I will show you retracement, how big or small is the retracement. If we look at this journey, Nifty has come down, then Nifty has taken, this is a very small retracement, this is a very small retracement, and it is, if is going up, higher high, higher low, higher top, higher bottom rather. So this is a very small retracement, this is a small retracement. If you see the retracement, shallower the retracement, stronger the strength. That's something that we have learned from our basic training. So here also, the shallower retracement are all shallow. So once the retracement is shallow, it signifies that yes, there is a lot of steam left with Nifty. So there has to be a big retracement. So here the retracement is very shallow, and what is happening, that it is Nifty is resisting and a significant median line here. So significant median line is this one, on the pitchfork line. Pitchfork is also based on the Fibonacci ratios. So this is basically the pitchfork level. I have used all Fibonacci levels to determine the significance of that level. So at this particular level, Nifty has given a very shallow retracement and then gone up again. First time we have seeing a big candle here. So but that is not a very big concern right at this moment, unless unless this particular line breaks. So I am seeing a positive reverse divergence. So this is, if this line, any closing below this will bring the Nifty down here, okay, and then this is the first level, then this is the second level, and if this level breaks, then Nifty will go for a good retracement. But then I will not be worried if retracement comes up to let's say 12,500 or this kind of levels, 12,500 level. So up to 12,500 level, there the corrections would be very, very healthy. So that is something that I am looking at it, and 12,500 level is a significant level. So these small corrections would happen. So therefore our view on Nifty is bullish at this moment, unless there is a big big candle closes till 12,500. No sign of worry, okay. So at the top obviously Nifty has been resisting here, and this is a bull trap line. This particular line is a bull trap line. So up to this level, I can see a bull trap line. So we have a different measurement system, and we can clearly see how Nifty resisting from bull trap line, and it is respecting that. So therefore once the bull trap line is respected, it has already made a corrections here. So from here, whether it is will come down or not, we will see, and accordingly we will take our positions daily. So the trade which you have taken on the last week, I will explain you the Tata Motor trade, okay, with our all setup. So on the last Friday, on Thursday, you see the time at 15:10 and 15:10, 15:15, 15:20. So all these 3x candle, we have actually got a signal. So we have not taken a future of Tata Motor. That's the blunder we did. But what we have done is we actually bought a call here, in a call. So therefore this 180 rupees call we have taken. In fact we were into the we have taken a call of let me check it here. Yeah, we have taken a call of 170 rupees at the money call. So therefore, why at the money? Because we want a big movement. So at the money call at 170 here at this level, at about 15:20, when I have got 3 candles here. So here that time the value of the call was 14 rupees 80 paise, we have bought only one call of 170. So risk was minimal, because I had backup of 3 candles here, and also our setup was actually telling that it's a rising line. So this line was rising, and then the green was also rising here. So therefore we did not have any worry. We have got 3 candles here, here particular, and at this place we have got enough signal to really carry that trade. Normally we don't buy put or call and then carry it on the next day. So since at the closing hour we have got this kind of signal, we did not want to miss it. And then we have next day we have a gap up opening here, back up opening here, and then we left it about this, the appearance of the red candle. So therefore the 14 rupees 80 paise call we released it at 20, whereas it has actually day high was 21 rupees, and Tata Motor the lot size 5,700. So at 5,700 rupees, 5,700 was the call. So we went out at 20 rupees, we carried it at 14 rupees 80 paisa, 14 rupees 80 paisa. So we actually managed to get 5 rupees 20 paisa, and then 5,700 is a lot. We actually made 29,640. So 29,640 is only one lot that has actually made our day. So therefore this is, and with a very small capital. How much Tata Motor capital we have invested? It's a 5,700 lot, 5,700 into 14 rupees 80 paisa. This is the power of our option trading. We only invested 84,000, and then with the 84,000 only one lot, and then we got this kind of rally. So 29,600 is not a very small money, and the return was very high, and then we left the trade. In fact we also got a signal here, but we did not want it to carry for 3 days. There will be holiday on Monday. So this is how we actually traded. So friends, this is our setup. Once you are part of our family, you will get this stock show ride and the powerful stock show setup, which actually make your trading very easy. So if we switch off our setup here, you will not know whether it is a 3x candle or this normal. It will look like a normal candle here. So therefore this is a computer assisted technique that we have used, and once you have these signals here, so automatically from this particular level it was giving you a signal, but then since it was not rising, we have not taken. So our students know what is the value of this kind of signals. So this is one part, and we have introduced another set of things, the father son and grandfather technique. You get this kind of this kind of setup where you have the ability to change see 5 minutes, 15 minutes or 1 hour RSI with the sector. So sector you can always change. Since it is ZIL, I have set it to media, and then I can always change it to Nifty, Bank Nifty, whatever, and then you exactly know at the time of your trade here. Say supposing we have dealt with in Tata Motor, let us see Tata Motor, then it will be very easy for you to interpret. And then instead of Nifty, I will say CNX auto index I want, and then auto index is basically in a 15 minutes how it was actually behaving, and correspondingly 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour father son and grandfather father and son technique. So here at this level, see all of even the sector, the black line was also rising. So all these things are rising, and it was supplemented by our rising signal strength. So therefore using these three here, we have actually taken the trade based on this. And then it has gone into a squeeze. If you look at the squeeze here, there is a very small difference between these two lines, and this is exactly reflecting here. I don't even need to see all this. So therefore, once you have this particular setup, that makes your trading much more powerful than you can even think right at this moment. We have also introduced some great scanners. So in this particular scanner, we have there are 3 types of scanners at this moment. This particular scanner will actually search for trend change. So whenever there is a trend change, this particular scanner will give you that trend change. For example, let me show you SBI. Okay, let me go to SBI. Let me go to SBI, and now SBI, I will introduce one more zoom trend. So it basically scans a change in let's say okay, I can change the time frame. So SBI actually has generated a scan here, and by the way, this scanner actually you can always change the resolution, that is the time frame. So if I look at SBI, how the scanner has actually generated signals here. So at this particular level, SBI has actually generated a signal, whether it is buy or sell, that you need to understand. So this scanner, let me close the shock setup here. So it is very interesting. So this particular there is a trend change, right? The trend was negative and then there was a change. So it is using a separate dimension. We are not using the same stochastics and RSI and all those. So same group of things will really not change. We are looking at price, pattern, volume, momentum, sentiment, so these are time, sentiment, all these volatility. So all 7 directions actually make your trade successful. So once there is a change in trend, because from uptrend to downtrend it has a change, so therefore on an intraday level, that is very important. So we have also have a lightning scanner. This lightning scanner actually tells you at what time there will be a bomb, lightning bomb. So what is the difference between bomb scanner and this thing? Bomb scanner actually tell you that yes, this is the side of trade I would like to go until the next trend comes. Okay, if you see whenever there is a change in trend, you are actually getting the signal. So and once you have this advanced signal, you will be on the side of that particular trade. See, it was SBI was going up, and then again it is whenever there is a change in trend, the green line, this green line has turned into which line? The green line has turned into a red line. So you, from this red line, you exactly know, then you will apply our theory, and then it will be, you can take a long trade. So therefore, as long as it is in your favor, you will not like to lose the trade. And then you have a lightning scanner. Lightning scanner is something that that is based on different theory. So whomsoever is actually looking at different theory would like to use. So in this particular case, we have also developed a Stochsto version 7 setup. This is actually we are going to sell it to our financial houses. So basically, whenever there is a trend change here in this, look at this particular case. Let me go to SBI. Yeah. Now, if you look at SBI at this particular level, what you are seeing, this we are using Ichimoku. Ichimoku theory says whenever there is a signal, this line is very thin line, like a rope. This thin line, whenever you this actually scanner identifies a very thin line. So whenever there is a thin line, you get an advanced signal here at the back, and then at this particular level you exactly know that there is a thin line going on, and then you will have a very a lightning strike. So lightning at the time of rain, if the strike is lightning, people are scared, and therefore the move is very fast. See, whenever it actually captures, whenever there is a lightning strike. So here I am not going to divulge everything here right at this moment. I just wanted to give you a feeling here. This is a lightning strike. So whenever these two lines actually merges, that becomes a lightning strike. So therefore this is where you get an explosive move. This particular place you get a very explosive move. Okay, so therefore these are the places where you get significant. And I know the significance of this scanner is, whenever there is a lightning move, I will show you. Yeah, now it is very easy for you to really understand. See, whenever at what candle I will know that there is going to be a lightning move. This is automatically plotted in the gray line. In this particular particular candle, you will get we got a signal of lightning move. Why? Because this lightning move actually telling me that now there will be a downtrend, although people will be thinking that is an uptrend. Now I am getting a lightning move, and this lightning move will tell you in advance that which side it will go. So therefore at this particular level I know that this entire move is going to come, and therefore I will quickly switch on the trend, and then I'll use it in trading options. So therefore it is the success of stock market really to actually catch you catch the trend in right time. So once you know that this is the moment where the trend would come, I must know that at this particular level my gray box, once it comes, and then all other things would fall in place. But gray box is a very important and advanced concept. So at this particular level I know that it is going to come, even God cannot save this. So you will get a ride, you will get a move, and see after this has been generated, how deep is the slide. So therefore all these things you would be able to know using this slide. And this is our normal our scanner, which has a different pricing. So all these scanners and everything has a different pricing. Let me get you the pricing first. So in this scanner, the explosive trend reversal scanner, that is the blue one, this blue one, this is an exclusive trend reversal scanner. This blue one would cost you 20,000 rupees, and if you are not our student, it will cost you 30,000 rupees. Then diamond scanner, X scanner, that is we are selling at 10,000 rupees for our student, and for non-student 20,000. And the multi time frame RSI lightning scanner, we have not given the pricing, but it will not be sold below 30,000 rupees for our students, and for outsiders it will be 50,000 rupees. We have not yet decided the pricing. And the multi-frame RSI is, this is what I meant by multi-frame RSI, where you have the ability to know and see the sector and everything in one go. So basically, how will you really arrange for this? This is very simple. With this, we'll give you this particular scanner. The name of the scanner is Ohm. So therefore here we'll have Ohm scanner here. Option mastery. Okay, so this is the scanner here, and with this Ohm you have the ability to know that what is happening in RSI. So this scanner, this is the scanner I am talking about here. So this you will get at 10,000 rupees for our students and 20,000 for others. So therefore we have not yet priced this particular scanner, lightning scanner and bomb scanner we have already given. Then the lightning is a new discovery, and this is working as a magic, and Tata Motor actually has generated money out of this, and this will not be priced below 30,000 rupees. Okay, so this is all about the scanners. Now let me talk about our courses, our basic models. This is our basic model. This particular, let me delete this. So this setup you will get our major mother stock show setup. old setup along with this stock show golden, right? You will get at 30,000 rupees. Previously it was 25,000, now it is 30,000 rupees. And with this you will get to know the candlesticks pattern, trading setup, trading rules, and this is suitable for intraday, and you do not need any prior knowledge. Our option trading mastery is has now, again, the price has gone up to 55,000, and this is a 3-day program, and again you don't have to know anything. This is a regular income with a less capital, because these days SEBI has increased margin, so therefore it is very difficult to really unless you have a deep pocket, deep capital, you will not be able to trade in futures. So we have our this option mastery program has actually now gaining momentum, and people are now happy with this. And we don't teach Greek, alpha, theta, gamma, open interest, volatility, and all those things that you see in YouTube. Our setup is very simple. Once we get the signal, we get into this trade. Okay, so we have also have Fibonacci. This is, I'm a big fan of Fibonacci, and Fibonacci is the master of everything. So this Fibonacci will cost you 1,50,000 rupees, and this is something that ultimately you have to learn if you want to carry on in stock market for a longer period. With this Fibonacci patterns, we'll also teach you the candlesticks pattern and Bollinger Band volatility, because market there is a big volatility every day. So therefore, how to handle volatility and take out money from market, because if somebody else loses money, then only you make money. So it's a zero-sum game. Okay, so you should know this technique. And we have also have a price action, volume, candlesticks pattern, Bollinger Band volatility, and gap trading methodology. This training this needs this needs little bit of knowledge, but it is not, prior knowledge is not required. That's all right. But as you should be conversant with this. For a little knowledge would do. And this will you will be understanding this particular model. Okay, here also you will get our this original setup of SS1. Okay, now here you will also learn the volatility and gap trading. So difference between SS1 and SS3 is, here we do not teach this volatility and gap trading part of it. Then the master of everything is bull trap and bear trap, and it is so powerful that how will you know that this at this particular time this is a trap, this is a trap line, why the market is behaving from this level, why the market has actually gone up, and this was the maximum level, from where the market could turn. How will you know that whether this at this level I am saying bull trap? Why it is bull trap? Because bulls will be trapped here. This is a very scientific line, and so mathematically it is so accurate that actually I am using left, right, and center this bull trap and bear trap for option trading to basically mint money. And with this I will also tell you teach you the Bollinger Band volatility. Bollinger Band is a very powerful band if you know the theory, and these theories are not available in normal books. Okay, and we have crash. How will you predict that stock market, whether it will be a crash or correction? How will you know that after this long trend, when there is when the market comes, let's say here, whether then from here it will be a crash or correction? How will you know at this particular level, so that if the market comes down here at this level or at the below level, so how will I predict? What is the use if I know at this level the market has crashed? No point. We are not reporters, so we have to really take an action at this level. So when the market crashed here, how did you know that we knew we have taken option positions here? How will you know that at this particular level, from here to here it has come, so at this particular level this will be a crash, this is a crash? So therefore there is a technique you can always predict through bull trap and bear trap and their cash and corrections. So all those things you will come to know, because stock market is technically, if you are technically sound, then money making is in stock market is very easy. So dear friends, That's all from my side. I hope you already have a very good trading journey. So be a part of stock show if you want to have this kind of software and computer assistant technique to really make safe and headache free money. Because unless you have the knowledge, so many people, why people fail, because of three reasons: either he has no knowledge, half knowledge, or wrong knowledge. So unless you have a knowledge, and unless you are having a computer assisted technique, like this one I said before, that if I switch it off, you do not know that this is a good place to really get into trade and get out of this trade here. Because here at this level I can measure bull trap, and here at this level my computer my software says yes, this is the side of entry. So therefore, if you are assisted with all these, then your trading risk basically is coming down. So friends, thank you very much. This is CS Arup Ghosh signing off from Stockshow Deck. Bye bye. If you want to be a part of our program, then you can click on the link in this below YouTube video, and then get in touch with me. Thank you very much. Take care, stay safe. This is CS Arup Ghosh from Stockshow Deck. Bye bye for now.